Hello, it's Steven Sayer from Pitch and Match. So now, if you click on this video, it's for the IT provider portal. So this video is to check to explain how to use globally, how it's structured, how this portal is structured. So if you didn't already created an account, you can do that here and sign up. So you will have a form, and you will be able to add information in your company and having the access. Now, after that, you will have to go back on login, click on your credentials, put your credentials and sign. And when you will arrive at this home page. So the company, in my case, it's the company is Captain 7. So with the icon, the logo of your company here, and the global information you already input in the portal as your team member. In my case, I have two team member already inserted in my tutorial in my portal. One testimonials. I participate already for one project and several time material participations projects. Okay, and my current participation for token for tokens. So I have, in my case, I bought some tokens and I have left 11. Okay, so here is the same as the menu. So you will see the current RFP. So everything will be able to see what are the new time material offer or project offers. Here, team member and testimonials is the area that you will put your information regarding your team member and your testimonials. And project participation and time management participation is the area that once you will select one of the RFP here, you'll be able to see. So time material. So if you choose one of these in the time material, it will insert a participation in your time material timeline. Okay, and the same for the POC. If you choose a POC, it will be inserted in the POC project area here. And tokens, if you want to buy tokens to participate, to validate your participation, and a Q&A area to put your questions regarding some current RFP. So if you put your question here, our expert or it will be sent to the portal, to the expert portal and to the client portal, keeping the anonymous way for them to give you insight answers for your questions. Okay, in our case, in this video, we'll see how to put team member, new team member, and one testimonial. So quickly, here in my case, I have two team member. Okay, you can add here in the plus button. Okay, first name, so you can choose a name. You put the first name, last name of your candidate, your member team. Okay, giving some information. Okay, function, years of experience, let's say 5. Here you can put the technologies. Okay, React. Okay, iOS. Okay. So you have many technologies you can define. If it's missing some of them here, feel free to put that in that field, and it will be added later in this list. Okay, it's optional, but you can put the URL LinkedIn from your account, from your member. Some clients prefer like to have a transparent way to communicate and to have to know who will be involved in that project. Here you put the CV you want, the CV of your candidate. Okay, you can add some description for this for this. Keep in touch. So here, if you want, if for example this person is a member, is a project manager, and you want him to be involved and to have information, to receive email, client feedback, or new steps on the project, or something like this, you can you click here, you add his email, and he will be informed, as well as the administrator that created the account will receive also all the information regarding the project. Okay, and here you add, if you want this profile to be involved in the POC project or in a time material project. But for that, before, you will have to define what project you want to be involved and what time material project you want to participate. Okay, so for now it's not the case. This we'll see that in another video. Notice that we have three little videos. So one to participate in time material needs. Here for the project POC participation, and here say how to buy tokens. Okay, and to finish, to add a testimonial in the same way than the time member. You add here, you click on this button, the plus button, and you define the project name, okay, the client, okay, some information regarding the project, the logo of the project, the client. It's not mandatory. It's important to put the website client. The logo will be automatically uploaded. Volume days. Okay, duration, how many months you work on that project with your client. The technologies, the same. What was the technologies involved in that project, and some coordinate of the client. It would be a project manager, or to check if the testimonial is okay. And the same, you'll be able to add, to associate this testimonial to a project or to a time material needed. Okay, so I have it here, and at this moment, so we are done. We finish that. Next time, you will be able to click on that to participate to this video time material or to project. And after that, everything will be ready for you to be involved in that project. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.